Hello and welcome again. And today we will be connecting our POS system to a database. So let's go ahead and get started. Um, let's go ahead and close this out. All right. Now we need to go ahead and open up Microsoft SQL. And go ahead and connect. If you don't have this software installed, I advise you to go back to my other video and watch installing SQL. Okay. And we want to right click on database, create new database right here, new database. And well, first of all, we need to come up with the name. I'm going to call my database uh, uh, Johnny, Johnny Chicken Rice. Johnny Chick. Hmm. Yeah, kind of a long name. Johnny Chicken Rice. Well, don't want no caps. Take off the caps. All right, Johnny Chicken Rice. You could name yours whatever you like. I'm gonna name mine Johnny Chicken Rice, okay? And click. Well, let's get rid of that. We don't need that. Hmm, that's weird. Remove. All right, and click OK. Now you see here we have our database, and let's go ahead and add a table to this. Right click, right click on this one, add table, and for this one here, we want to put row ID. Okay, I misspelled that. Okay, row ID. And for this one here, we want to make it as primary, set primary key as an integer, because we want that first row to be unique, okay? And at the bottom here, we need to find identify specifications. Click the arrow right there, identify, and we need to change is identify, change it to yes, in there. All right. Our next row, will be first name. Right? Well, you can put all. Well, actually, let's make it first underscore name. Do not put spaces. And this, we could set it as varchar. Okay, set it as varchar. I'm gonna put varchar 50. That unless you know someone that has a name that's more than 50 characters long. And this one here, last name. Now this will be for the login information. This is the user information. So whenever a user scans their badge, that badge reads their name, last name, and it would verify them as a credential so that you would be able to log in to the POS. Okay, varchar. Username. Username. Varchar. And password. So we need a password. And I'm going to set this one here as varchar also. And last but not least, permission. Now, what the permission column does is, depending on if you are a store manager or restaurant manager versus a regular employee, permission sets admin permission to get into certain features of the POS system as far as the admin screens. And we're going to change that to varchar. All right. So let's go ahead and save this, and we're going to name this table. Let's see. Let's give it a good name. Um, hmm. Let's name this table users. Okay. And click OK. We can go ahead and close out of this. And you should have your table populated right here. Okay. Now we're going to right click it and go edit top 200 rows. Actually, we want to change this 200 rows right here. Let's see. So we would need to go into, I believe it's, if I remember correctly, tools, options. Let's see. I believe it's SQL Server Object Explorer. Go there. Yep, here it is right here. So where it says value for edit top, change that one to, I'm going to try 100,000. And I'm going to click OK. And now you can edit 100,000 rows. All right. So let's go ahead and edit this. And let's go ahead and put your credentials in here. That's my first name, and here is my last name. Actually, I'm going to change this one to a capital J. Okay. Uh, your username, whatever username you would like to put, you can put that one. I'm going to put, make sure you remember this. Let's put, hmm, I'm going to just put Frogger. Frogger would be my username. It's just a random name that I just came up with. And for my password, I'm going to put 1234. Okay. And for your permission, I'm going to put 8 and enter. All right. So now what we can do with this right here, we could do some programming, and then we could sign in under these credentials right here. All right. So let's go ahead and minimize this. Go ahead and open up Visual Studios and open up my POS project. All right. Now let's go to Form 1. So this right here, we can go ahead and double click the enter button, and we will be programming this button right here. All right. So first we need to establish a database connection. So let's go ahead and connect our database to this application. So in your right here, you would see my POS right here. Go ahead and right click that and go to properties. We need to look for our database. Go ahead and click this arrow right here. Highlight this block, the value, and from the drop down menu, something's wrong. Please enter to begin a new line. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Where it says type, select connection string and application. Now you should be able to search for your database. Okay. Server name. Go ahead and drop down, click the drop down menu, and it should be searching for your server. All right. Go ahead and click it. Uh, Now you can go to this drop down list and look for the database that you created and click OK. Right here where it says settings, let's change that to, I'm going to put Johnny connection. Yeah, Johnny connection string. All right, and enter. Now, if you go to the right and click on app configuration, it should have it. Johnny connection string, and there is your database. All right. So this shows that we actually connected to the database. We have the application connected to the database. All right. So there you have it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, and I will try my best to answer them. Thanks for watching.